Today we are going to create a logging form model using CSS3 and JavaScript. Let's first create the form inside an overlay. Overlay section should be position fixed. Now add gradient background color in the overlay. And decorate the form section. In case of input field, we have to mention with 100% but decrease the value of padding using calc function. Now change the opacity, visibility and top position of the overlay and mention the previous value of opacity, visibility and top position inside active class of overlay. Now write a JavaScript function that toggle active class of overlay and call the function using on-click event of both close and logging button. Here we go. Thanks for watching. For more, please subscribe.